last song next.
Yes. Last song, it's been a pleasure playing for you. But before we get on to this one, I just like to thank Bill Lodian for giving us the chance to support tonight. And apologies that there are three of us and only one of our guests tonight. All that extra making up and stuff like that.
At least there wasn't any costume changes. Normally throwing a few there.
This song from the Appalachians of the essay. It's called Rain and Snow. That man not too happy with his wife.
June and Torphichen.
Playing Torphichen. Husband's being thrown out in the cold rain and snow. Happens a lot in Torphichen, is it?
I think that was today. Today in Torphichen.
The story goes that it's a winter sport in Torphichen, actually. Rain and snow.
Down the stairs, going back to yellow.